Hi, I'm going to share to you how are we going to add, match, or create transfers inside our bank transactions tab. Okay, so all you have to do is go to accounting, then you can see here bank transactions. Then under bank transactions, you will see different kinds of bank or credit card accounts connected inside QuickBooks Online. So as you can see here, okay, so you have 0 transactions, so meaning you have no pending transaction. Okay. This one, you still have 10 pending transactions. This one, you still have 3 pending transactions, so meaning you still have 3 transactions to be posted inside QuickBooks. Okay. Here you have 6, 0. You have 2. You have 4. You have 7. You have 30. And this one, we still have 2. Okay? So you can update your bank transactions tab every day. And you can devote 5 minutes to add or match or create transfers inside bank transactions. Okay. So I will show you how are you going to do it in a smart way. So duplicate this one. And then go to vendors. Okay, so then see vendors here. Okay. Okay. So let's start this one. Start this one. Okay. Now, usually, I sort this by bank description. Okay, so let's try this one. So it says here, online transfer to check 0480. Okay. So I'm going to use an advanced search. Paste this one. Okay. So what did I do? I use this advanced search tab. So I copy this one and then paste. Okay, so just to see if there were previous transactions which have the same bank description. So let's check this one. Example. So online transfer to check 0480 Barrera. Okay. So meaning they use the category subcontractors 1099. Okay. Okay, good. Subcontractors 1099. And 1099. Okay. Then post. Okay, how about this one? Online transfer. I'm going to copy this one here. Okay. So how about I'm going to check this one. Rodriguez Ordonez. Okay. So they have the same bank description, right? So they use subcontractors 1099 Ruth Rodriguez. Okay. So Ruth, and then is it Ruth Rodriguez? Yes. Ruth Rodriguez. Okay. And post this one. Okay. How about this one? Alma Rose Rizar. Okay, so I'm going to copy, then paste it here. Okay. Okay, so we have here Alma Rosa Rizar under 1099 Rizar Esmeralda. 1099 Rizar, or let's say Rizar Esmeralda. Okay, Rizar Esmeralda. Rizar Esmeralda. Okay, so post. Then next is this one, San Gabriel Vigil, copy, and then you're going to paste it. I'm going to open one of this, San Gabriel Vigil. So the account is this one. Okay? And post. Lorena Castillo. Copy. Or aside from using this advanced search tab, you can also use the vendor side. Okay. So let's say I'm gonna search for Lorena. Lorena Castillo. Okay. So we use Lorena Castillo earlier. Okay. So this is also the other way around. So all the post and this one, so I'm going to use an advanced search tab. Okay. So Nora Santuyo. Or Nora Santuyo. So we'll use this one. Okay. Post. And next is we have Rita Vasquez. Okay, so I'm going to use another method. So what's the method? I'm going to Rita Vasquez. Rita Vasquez. Okay, so this is subcontractors 1099. Rita Vasquez, subcontractors 1099. So this is post. Another one is Sandra Perez. So we have here search Sandra Perez. Okay. Sandra Perez, 1099. So Sandra Perez, 1099. So this is post. Okay. Then Sylvia Sanchez. So we have here 1099. Post. Right? Then we have Celia Hernandez. Okay. Okay, so it's 1099. So we're going to post this one. Okay, so now we are done with 2474. So next is we have 1342. Okay. So it.com. So we go here. So this is website subscriptions. Okay. So this is correct. And then we have Intuit. We have here office expenses. Yes. Post. And then Hiscox. This one. So we have here business insurance. Okay. Post. See? So here we still have 6 transactions. Okay. So let's try this one. I'm going to use advanced search tab. I think we have no transactions before related to this one. So I'm going to leave this first. And then let's proceed with the Lego Zoom. Okay. Lego Zoom. Oops. So this should be office expenses. Okay. So office expenses. And then this one, payment from 6988. Okay. So if this is 0765 and it says here payment from check 6988. Do we have 6988 here? 2450, 1342, 0765, 1625. So we have 6988 here, right? Okay. So if we have 6988, so this is credit card payment. Okay. So if it's credit card payment, we'll choose here 6988. Okay. Or you can also use transfer. Okay. So this is 6988. Okay, let me see with the 6988. What's the date of this? April 17? April 17. Okay. 6988. We have here April 17. Okay. So if we're going to sort this one by date, let's check with April 17. Okay, so it says here online banking payment to 0765, 142.72. Okay, so let's go with 0765. 0765. Okay. So if this is 0765, payment from 6988. Okay. Then apply and post. So next is we have Amazon. Okay. So bill 5060. This one is under office equipment. I think this one is also a website subscription because we have the same amount, right? Okay, so let's so 50, 60. So website subscription. Okay. So I think we need to reclass this one. Website subscriptions. So go back to this one. So I'm going to ask first the client on what account are we going to use for this transaction. Okay, I just leave this. Then 1625, we're done with 1625. Then we have 2413. Now I'm going to check. I think this is bank transfers. Okay, so let's check. If this is coming from 6988. So let's try 55. So I'm going to 6988. Okay. So you can see here, online banking payment 2413, 403.85. So underspent. And then this one, I'm going to duplicate this one. This one is underspent 403.85. Under 2413, this is received, right? And then next is 404, April 17. Okay, so you have the 404, right? Okay, so this is indeed 6988. So I'm going to click this one, edit, and then transfer, then 6988. Okay. Okay. So we have 100, then under 6728. Okay. So we have here 1646, 1673. Okay, so 6988. So let's check with 6988. So we have 1646 received. This one, 1673.22. Okay, so under spent column for 6988 and under received column for 6728. Okay, so edit. So this is transfer. This is 6988, right? Okay. So Bank of America, vehicle loan, post. And then this one is, I'm going to copy this one. So this is spent. I'm going to use advanced search tab. Okay. So let's check this one. Okay. So under 6728. So the sales tax less sales tax included. Correct? Post. Now, next is we have 2413. Now I'm going to group this one. And then go to vendors and Zapier. Okay. Website subscriptions. Okay. Post. And then Jotform. Okay. Website subscriptions. So there's an expense. So there's a reversal entry. Okay, so Jotform. So this one, website. So this is credit card credit, right? Okay, post. And then next is we have high level. High level. So high level is we have, yes, website subscriptions. Okay. And then post. The next is GoDaddy. Okay. And we have here website subscriptions. Next is Vico. Company car insurance. So Vico. Company car insurance. Okay. And then RFs. So this is marketing. Okay, good post. Okay. So let's try with the 6988. Okay. So we have here Stripe transfer. Copy this one. Then copy advanced search. So this is deposit. So what account do they use? Sales, gross receipts. Okay. So sales, gross receipts. This is Stripe. So sales, gross receipts. Okay. So Stripe, sales, gross receipts. Okay, so I'm going to check this one. And then shift. Okay, then edit. Deposit. Stripe. Then gross receipts. Okay, apply and post. And then I'm going to sort again to group common transactions. So 6870. Okay. 2382. So 2413. Okay. Chase credit card payment. So this is from pair. You can see here pair 0060. Okay, so I'm going to check this first. So 060. So do we have 40? April 16? Yes, we have 40. Chase credit card. Received. This one is spent. So this is could be transfer 0060. Okay, so post. So we're going to this one. So it says here it is matched. So there's a transfer, then match. Okay. Then let's use the vendor. Starbucks. I think Starbucks Meals Entertainment. Okay, meals. So this is meals. Okay, okay. So let's check. We have 0, 1 pending. Still have 15 transactions for the 486. Okay. So online payment 10 and 17. So let's proceed with 6988. Let's check. 560.64 and 735.64. Okay. So 486. Let's proceed with 6988. Mm-hmm. 560 and 7. Okay, so we have here 486. 486. So this is received under 486 and this is spent under 6988. Okay. So edit. Let's choose transfer. And then 486. Apply and post. Okay. So let's try to refresh this one. Under 486. So you can see here transfer and transfer. So all you have to do is match. Okay. So refresh. So let's proceed with 6988. Okay. So we have here the match. And then April 10. So we're going to choose this one and then match. And then we have April 17. Okay. So so 2382. So I'm going to copy this one and then go to advanced search tab. Okay. Let's check. So we have here online transfer. So let's check the account used. So equity contribution IRS. Okay. So partners equity contribution IRS first 2382. Partners contribution IRS. So online banking transfer partners contribution IRS. Okay. So we still have 6817. Now for 6817, So 6817, we have a rule here that this is for the personal account, 25% to Iris, 75% to Vic. Okay. So we're going to split this one. Okay, so out from 1355, then 5% to Iris distribution. So 1355, 25%, that's 338.75. Then the rest is for Vic distribution. So that is 75%, right? Of 1355. Okay. Okay. So split and post. This one, let's try to split 1355. So this is Iris distribution, 25%. So this is 338.75, and the rest is for big distribution. So split and post. So the next is we have here split. So this is Iris distribution. 25% is 38.75. And then this is for Vic. Okay. Split and post. Okay. Then how about for 6616? So they still same method. So split. So this is distribution for Iris. So 25%, 173. And then the rest is for Vic, 519. Okay, next is we have split. It's 92. And then for Vic, we have 519. Okay. Last is we have here Iris distribution, 173. And then for Vic, 519. Right? Okay. So are we done? So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we still have one pending, right? This one. We're going to ask this and email the client. What is this transaction for? Okay. So that's how you're going to post bank feeds. It's either match, transfer, or you're going to add. So that's it. Thank you.